how to purchase a premium plan on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can purchase a premium plan on Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. Hawaii Airlines offers several options for travelers who want to enhance their flying experience, and the major way is by logging in into your Hawaii Airlines account. How can you log in? Once you've opened up the application or you visited the website, by the top right side of the application, you would see the option sign in. So just click on that. After clicking on sign in, you'll be taken to the sign in page where you'll be asked to enter in your username as well as your password. And then once you've done that, you can now click on sign in. If you don't have an account with Hawaii, click on join Hawaii Miles, and then from there you'll be directed on what to do. You'll be asked to fill in some details about you. Ensure you fill it out. And then once you become a member of Hawaii Airlines, you will then be able to purchase a premium plan. Okay, so once you become a member, the next thing to do is move to the lower right corner of the screen where you can see the more option. On this more page, since you are now a member, you will see the option my account, my profile, and all of that. Click on it, and then on the my account page, you will see the option of premium plan, and then you'll be directed. You will see how you can purchase it. You can either purchase a premium plan, making use of your miles, or a certain amount of money. Just go ahead, make the purchase, and then you have access to more things than an ordinary member of Hawaii Airlines. But this is majorly how to do so. This is how you can purchase a premium plan on Hawaii Airlines. Ensure you have an account, ensure you navigate through to your account page, follow the on-screen instructions, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.